Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. In other stories, South African music sensation Makhadzi is recovering in the hospital after being involved in a serious road accident. The award-winning performer was traveling from Limpopo to Johannesburg when the incident occurred on the morning of 31 December 2025. Her management company, Makhadzi Entertainment, released a statement confirming the news. The statement read, Makhadzi Entertainment confirms that the award-winning artist Makhadzi was involved in a car accident while traveling from Limpopo to Johannesburg on the morning of 31 December. She is currently receiving medical care and remains in hospital where her condition is stable and under close observation by medical professionals. The company has made a direct appeal for privacy while the star recovers. The official update stressed that the artist's health is the current priority, the statement continued. The priority at this time is recovery and well-being. We respectfully request privacy for Makhadzi and their family during this period. Makhadzi Entertainment also thanked the public for their concern, stating, we thank fans, partners and the media for their support, concern and understanding. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.